In this video, we will explore the top quantum machine learning tools and their functionalities, helping you advance AI capabilities beyond classical methods by selecting and using these tools effectively. Are you ready to dive into the future of artificial intelligence? Quantum computing is not just a buzzword, it's redefining the way we approach machine learning. With the potential to outperform classical methods, quantum machine learning tools are at the forefront of this revolution. In this video, we're your guide to the top 5 tools that are paving the way. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious learner, these tools will help you push the boundaries of AI like never before.
Quantum machine learning combines the principles of quantum physics with machine learning algorithms, potentially providing significant speedups over classical approaches. At its core, quantum machine learning uses quantum bits, or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, allowing for parallel processing capabilities that far exceed traditional bits. This means more complex data can be processed faster and more efficiently. Current applications range from drug discovery to financial modeling, with the promise of even greater advancements on the horizon. However, challenges such as error correction and algorithm development remain, making the field ripe for innovation. Qiskit, developed by IBM, is a powerful open-source framework that allows developers to create and execute quantum circuits. It's Python-based, making it accessible to many developers familiar with classical programming. One of its standout features is the ability to connect with the IBM Quantum Experience, providing access to a suite of real quantum processors. Qiskit is also known for its extensive community and educational materials, which are perfect for both beginners and experienced quantum developers. Whether you're building quantum algorithms or running simulations, Qiskit provides the tools and support needed to explore the quantum realm.
TensorFlow Quantum, TFQ, is Google's answer to the quantum machine learning challenge. By combining the power of TensorFlow with quantum computing capabilities, TFQ supports the development of hybrid quantum classical models. This integration allows for the seamless inclusion of quantum circuits in machine learning workflows, leveraging Google's Cirq library for circuit construction. TFQ is especially useful for researchers and developers looking to experiment with quantum algorithms and their applications. Its extensive library ensures that you have a rich set of tools to work with, whether you're optimizing algorithms or training complex models.
PennyLane is a unique tool designed to facilitate the development of hybrid quantum classical algorithms. Its interoperability with multiple quantum platforms, such as IBM Q, Google Cirq, and Rigetti, makes it incredibly versatile. One of PennyLane's key features is its ability to perform automatic differentiation on quantum circuits, a crucial function for optimizing algorithms. Moreover, it integrates seamlessly with popular machine learning libraries like PyTorch and TensorFlow, making it a favorite in research and academic settings. PennyLane empowers developers to bridge the quantum and classical worlds, advancing the field of quantum machine learning.
Cirq is Google's open-source framework specifically tailored for designing, simulating, and executing quantum circuits, particularly optimized for near-term quantum computers. Python-based and user-friendly, Cirq allows developers to construct circuits and test them on Google's quantum processors. Its extensive library of circuit components and utilities makes it a robust choice for both academic research and commercial applications. Cirq's focus on near-term quantum computing means it's designed to work with the quantum processors we have today, making it an essential tool for developers aiming to make practical quantum computing a reality. Strawberry Fields, developed by Xanadu, is a platform that specializes in photonic quantum computing, which uses light as a medium for computation. This approach offers distinct advantages, including room temperature operation and scalability. Strawberry Fields seamlessly integrates with PennyLane, supporting the development of hybrid quantum classical models and quantum machine learning experiments. It focuses on continuous variable quantum systems, which are particularly useful for certain types of algorithms and applications. This tool is perfect for developers and researchers interested in exploring the cutting edge of quantum computing with photonics.
Choosing the right quantum machine learning tool depends on your specific needs and project goals. Factors to consider include the tool's features and capabilities, such as whether it supports hybrid models or specific types of quantum hardware. Interoperability with your existing systems and ease of use are also crucial, as is the level of community support available for troubleshooting and collaboration. Additionally, consider the future scalability of the tool and how it aligns with your long-term project requirements. By evaluating these aspects, you can select the tool that best fits your needs and helps achieve your objectives. In conclusion, quantum machine learning tools like Qiskit, TensorFlow Quantum, PennyLane, Cirq, and Strawberry Fields are revolutionizing the field of artificial intelligence. Each tool offers unique capabilities that can significantly enhance machine learning processes and outcomes. As you embark on your journey with these tools, remember to stay curious, explore new possibilities, and keep up with the latest advancements in quantum technology. We encourage you to comment below with your thoughts and experiences, share this video with fellow enthusiasts, and let us know which topics you'd like us to cover next. Together, let's push the boundaries of what's possible with AI.